Hey, this is Deb Rayleigh with the Social Tech Team. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find any hidden messages that you might have sitting there waiting for you in Facebook. When you open up your Facebook app, in the top right of your screen, tap your messenger icon. This will list all of your chats. These are all people that you're connected with or have had some sort of message with in the past. Tap your three lines in the top left, and now you'll notice you have your chats. This is what we were just looking at. These are your chats with the people you have a connection with. Marketplace would be any chats that are happening with anything that you have either listed on the marketplace or with someone through the marketplace. Message requests. This is where you're going to find your hidden messages. These are people who are trying to message you that don't have a connection to you in some way. So go and check your message request area in Messenger and see if you have anything sitting there. You might have a customer who's been trying to reach you.